Assalamualaikum, the arrival of our visitor from FC Malaysia. Assalamualaikum. Bigyan mo na.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, brother. Waalaikumsalam. Yung isa naman sa'yo, brother. Meron na?
Yung isa natin mo. Opo, parang.
Yung anak niya.
How are you?
Brother, sa anak niya.
How are you?
Sa anak niya pa.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
How are
Oo
you?
po,
How
ayan,
are you?
ayan.
Kasama.
Oo, kasama. Anak niya yan. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Philippines. Welcome.
Assalamualaikum.
My son. They speak English?
Yes, brother. Translator. Asan na yung translator mo?
What is that?
Where? This one? My ID.
Your ID for
My word.
media?
Yeah. I'm a vlogger.
The burger.
Let's welcome the arrival of our visitors from Ipsimay.
Selfie.
Oh, asan na yung ganun niya? Yung isa?
Siya yung isa.
Para. Where is we go? Where go?
Nasaan yung isa? Paki-assist na lang, brother. Pupunta. Ayan mga kasangga, nasundan na natin ang ating mga bisita from FC Malaysia. Ayan, nilalagay ni Imam ang kanyang welcome note.
Where's the car?
Please follow Imam.
Ate, may kumausap sa akin na magsasakay ng mga gamit papuntang Santiago.
Oo, kasi hindi kasya.
Oo nga po, 1K daw.
1K. Sige. Kasi hindi kasya yun. Apat pa yung isa.
Only one car?
Yeah, but we order one from here. From the airport. The son of
From
Imam.
here to your office, how many hours?
1 hour.
So
Only 1
from
hour.
here to office 1 hour, and then from office to hotel?
Only 20 minutes.
Okay.
No problem.
Azlan, in the